Dear geography aspirants, the Himalayan rivers will be discussed right now. For your understanding that you will see the Himalayan region adjacent to the China, Tibet, Nepal you will see, and also the Bhutan area. I would like to ask you the major Himalayan rivers are the Indus. So Indus is here, Indus river. You will see here the Indus river. The Ganga and Brahmaputra, and Ganga and Brahmaputra you will see the Ganga river. Ganga river is here and Sangpo and Brahmaputra is here. In Sangpo, Sangpo is named in China, Tibet, and India in Brahmaputra. These rivers are the long and joined by many large and important tributaries. Tributaries means a river along with its tributaries may be called the river system. Thus, assisted rivers. Large and important tributaries, other rivers joined. A river along with its tributaries may be called a river system. So river system definition is a river along with its tributaries, other rivers when joined. That is known as the river system. The Indus river system will be discussed right now. You will see here the Indus river. The river Indus rises in Tibet. Near Lake Mansarovar. Lake Mansarovar is here in these areas. Lake Mansarovar. Following west this side. It enters India in Ladakh. Ladakh is here. Indus river you can see here, originating from here, China, Tibet. Ladakh, district of Jammu Kashmir. Ladakh is the district of Jammu Kashmir, or district of. It forms a picturesque gorge in this part. Several tributaries at the Jaskar, you can see here the Jaskar, the Nubra, the Syok, and the Hunja join it in the Kashmir region. These rivers join in Kashmir region. The Indus flow through Baltistan and Gilgit, these area. Gilgit, and emerges in from the mountains at Attock. A mountain Attock is here. The Satluj and Bias, you will see the Satluj and Bias. The Ravi is here. The Chenab here, and the Jhelum here. Joined together to enter the Indus near Mithankot in Pakistan. In this area is known as the join here Mithankot in Pakistan region. Beyond this the Indus flows southwards. So Indus flow in southwards. This area is known as the southwards. Eventually reaching the Arabian Sea. You will see the Arabian Sea in this part. Eventually, at last. Reaching the Arabian Sea east of Karachi. Karachi city is in Pakistan, and when you see the eastern part of Karachi city, then you will get the Arabian Sea. The Indus plain has very gentle slope with the total length of 2900 kilometer. Total length 2900 kilometer. The Indus is one of the longest river of the world. So Indus is the one of the longest river or longest rivers of the world. A little over the third of the Indus basin is located in India. The third of the Indus basin. Have you seen in the basin at your house? In geographical language, basin is can be generalized with the basin of yours, basin of your house of yours. In the state of Jammu and Kashmir, in this part, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab and rest of Pakistan. Himachal Pradesh this area, Punjab this area, and rest in the Pakistan. So Indus river system has been discussed. We will meet in next session with a lot more. Finally, I would like to ask you the Lake Mansarovar will be discussed, and Arabian Sea and the east of Karachi. We will meet in next session with lot more, and we will discuss the many more. Till then, thank you. Thanks for watching the video.